Alright, I'm about to be a YouTuber for a second. Hey everyone, Matt with Run Builder back again at Redneck Off-Road Heaven for North Texas Rally. This is going to be my third race. I'm so excited. I got the new tires on the car. I got the exhaust fixed. I kind of broke it last time. Sway bars off, pulled out all the interior, and we're going to go race. It's going to be awesome. So stay tuned. Alright, so we just finished our first run, and if you look right here, we're rubbing on the exhaust and the frame. So we're gonna do, where'd the hammer go? So we're gonna do some custom body work. I don't think we'll be able to fix that. That's just gonna rub.
One guy said that your whole axle was shifting or something, but it's not that. It's just
Oh, it might be.
Might be? Okay.
Yeah.
Because that's what happened to another Mustang, 4th gen Mustang we had out here, and well, it needs to be welded.
Yeah.
It's just kind of
Alright.
hanging out.
That's as good as we're gonna go. Toss me the tires, It's not rubbing bad. It just sounds terrible. That's backwards. Huh? I said that's backwards. What? I hit the wrong way.
Brought you a torque bar if you wanted to, breaker bar if you wanted to actually torque it.
All right. Well, I'd have to fall off once. Not moving to me. Yeah. All right, YouTube. This is my mom, and she's about to go on her first run in a rally car. So this is a new thing for her.
Never done this before.
Let's see, she used to scream at me when I was a kid driving and slap at my arm. We'll see if there's any arm slapping going on.
There possibly might.
$1,000 car. It had interior in it.
You took it all out?
Yeah, save weight.
So they have to wait so many minutes before the next one can go?
No, we wait until the other guy's done.
Oh.
Yeah, we do one car at a time.
Okay.
All right, so this is the starting line.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do that over here, comfy. may have broke the car.
You might have?
Maybe. you like it?
That was awesome.
Whew, fun. We've got Karina making her first pass in the Mustang. Finally, after 3 events, she gets to do it. Let's see how she does.
Mustang.
What do you say?
The bigger?
The better.
Oh, the better? Us? I mean, come on. All right, let's see if I can do this. What the hell? Oh my god. And my heart is racing a little bit.
It is?
Yes.
And whenever you want. Slalom right. Go, 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 go. Slalom left, right, left. Right, 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 right. Okay, left. Easy, easy, there you go, go. Straight, hard, 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 straight, straight. Straight, straight. Huh?
Shake for a minute.
How was that?
It's fun.
It's terrifying,
Terrifying, yes, but fun.
but awesome. I did really good last time, except for this little thing called like totally missing a corner. But it's a good day. Having fun. Back end of the car is sounding a little rough. The extra traction might actually be hurting me as far as the structural rigidity of the car. So we might have to do some welding on it before the next race. But we're gonna enjoy some rally action now and just watch a bunch of cars. Well,
Check this. I think I put it in the same spot.
I'll check. Well, this was fun. My buddy Chris got to drive the car. Karina got to drive the car. Once again, it pulled up onto the trailer under its own power. It's really hot outside. I'm tired of summer. So I'm gonna take this thing home and see if I broke anything. So until then, you guys get out there and build something, drive something. Don't let me be the only one having fun. I'm tired.